Good afternoon, class. We're going to start off and getting started on our top 5, and this is the top 5 instructional video. We've already done the rough draft, so now we're going to go on and get this onto Google Docs. So the first thing you need to do, go ahead and open up a new tab on Google Chrome, and you need to go to your Google Classroom. And once you're on Google, it should already sign you in because you're on your Chromebooks. And then go to My Class, which is 6 Exploring Technology Period 6 or Period 7, whatever which class you are. And I'm actually going to go to this one because Mr. Stempinski, the 8th grade technology teacher, he decided to make me a class so I could do the assignments with you. So I'm going to open up his class. So you're going to open up my class. I'm opening up this one. You're going to scroll down until you find the assignment that says Top 5. Click on the words that say Top 5. Now you'll get this type of window that opens up, and it has an add, create, and a mark done choice. Click create, and scroll down to docs. Once docs opens up, and it will load up a blank document that's already saved now as top 5 with your name. So in there it says top 5 Andrew Kennedy. I'm going to click it. Now it's going to open. When we start this assignment, you will also have a worksheet that comes with it that gives you instructions written out step by step. If you follow that, you should be able to do this just fine. But if you have some issues, if I can't get you right away, this is a great place to come and get your instructions without actually having me be right next to you. Alright, so it's a good video to kind of watch. So the first thing it says here is we have to put our name and date on it. And our name and date are going to be aligned on the right side of our paper. And to change our alignment, you come up to the toolbar, and all these little lines here, they change the alignment. So we have to go over to the right. Alright, now our font size is the only thing we're going to change now. I want the font style to stay at Arial. Our font size is going to change to 10, and we're going to keep it black. Once you have that, go ahead and type your name. Once you have your name down, press enter and put the date in. Today is the 18th. You just put it just like that, just fine. And then go ahead and enter and go to the next line. Our next step now, we need to put a title on this. Your title is going to be centered. It's going to be 24 font. You can pick whatever font you want, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And it's also going to be any color you want. So we'll start out by aligning it. And we'll center the cursor so you see how it jumps to the middle. Perfect. Now we need to change our font size to 24. I'm going to change our font style now. When I do this, the top ones here are the ones that are used pretty often. Those are ones you've used recently. Okay, you can look through these fonts and pick one out. If you don't see one that you really like, you can hit more fonts, and we have more choices here now. You can go all the way through them, a lot more choices. If you see one you like, I like this one, I'll click that one, we'll hit OK, and then I can type my top 5. Alright, and I forgot to change the color, but you can change it whatever color you want. So it's black right now, and if you did forget, all you gotta do is highlight it, go up here to the A, and if you put your cursor over one of these toolbars, it will tell you what it is. So that's font size, this is text color. I'll click that, I get a palette of a bunch of different colors. I'm gonna turn it blue, that's my favorite color, so we'll go with that. And now it all turns blue. So now we have our title. The next thing we need to do is start doing our list. And remember, I told you to do 5 different topics and 5 things under each topic. So when we start our topic, go ahead and enter that from your title, and you'll drop down a line. Now we have to align our paper again to the left. So we've done right, now we've done center, now we're going over to the left. Our font size has to be 14. Our font style, once again, you can pick whatever style you want. I'm going to go permanent marker. And this here has to be bolded as well. So go ahead and click that B, that means bold, and that makes your letters a little bit thicker. And you know if it's on bold if it kind of has that grayer square. See how these other italics and underline don't really have that box around it, but the B does, the bold. That's how you know you're on it. Okay, so I'm going to do my top 5. Oh, I need to change color as well. So I'll change over to red, and I'm going to do my top 5 favorite sports. Alright, go ahead and type that in, then press enter. Now with our list, we have to do quite a few changes. First off, it needs to be 12. Size 12 font. For the you can leave it on permanent marker or whatever font you had it or whatever style, but you can change it too. I'm gonna go ahead and change it to, let's see, Comic Sans, and then it needs to be unbolded. And our list, when we start listing it off, it has to be black. All right. So now we also need to put bullets in here when we start listing off. So to do that, you have to come up here to this top part here, and you see these numbers with lines, and there's a couple dots with lines. That's your number list and your bullet list. If you don't see that on there, there should be a tab around this area that says more on it. If you click more, those should pop up. So what we're going to do is we're going to click that arrow right next to that bullet list or that number list, and they'll pop up about 6 different options that you can choose from. So I'm going to go over, pick one of these, and I'm going to start listing off my favorite sports. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and enter, after I'm done, enter 3 times. So you skip a line and you're ready to do your next topic. As I'm guessing you already figured out, I spelled soccer wrong. Okay? If you didn't know you ever spelled anything wrong, to fix that or to spell check, and I'm sure you guys have used spell check again, but just a reminder, you can go ahead and go up to Tools, right up in your search bar there, and then hit Spelling. Up here will pop up a little spell checker. It tells me I spelled soccer wrong. I hit change and it automatically changes it for you. Okay, so I'll go ahead and we'll start our next list. So 3 spaces down. Now remember, I got to change it back. So my font size has to be 14. This time I'm going to change it to bitter for our font style. We got to have it bold. And I have to have any color that I want. So I'm going to go, let's go dark green this time. And I'm going to do colors. All right, go ahead and enter from that. Change it back now to 12, unbolded. Change it to any font style you want. I'll go to that Sigmar again. And then it has to be black. And then this time I'm going to use the number list. Go ahead and click, pick a number, and then go ahead and start typing. So colors, we'll do blue, red, green, orange, and pink. Alright, so once you have your list, and sometimes it kind of looks bolded, but I know it's not because it's not highlighted. Alright, and just remember to capitalize all your first letters. That's kind of basic stuff. Okay, when you are completely done with your list, so you need 5 lists with 5 topics with 5 things in each topic, then you can go ahead and turn in. So let's say I'm done. I have all 5 lists. And I'm going to come up here to this little area here where it says turn in. Once you click that, it will automatically turn in for you. If this hurries up, we're waiting for Google. There it comes. All right, and they'll ask you, when attached submitted for top 5, do you want to turn in? Go ahead and hit turn in, and it will turn in automatically for you. And then you're done. If you want to make any changes after that, and you think, oh wait, I forgot to do a list, go ahead and just hit unsubmit. Unsubmit or add change attachments. Don't forget to resubmit once you're done. Go ahead, unsubmit. You can go back in just like you started it and continue. Alright, that's about all it's going to be for this assignment. Good luck on it, and I hope you guys do a really good job.